In today's video, let me show you how to fix Google Calendar not syncing. So if the calendar is not syncing within your device, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that the sync is toggled on. So within the Google Calendar application, head over to the hamburger menu on the top left, and it is going to show you all of the accounts that you are currently logged into. Make sure that the My Calendar option is checked. If this is unchecked just like this, make sure you tap on the check option or make sure you check it, and this will likely help to solve the issue. Now, if this is not the case for you, you'll also need to check if your account is synced. If you're currently using an Android device, what you'll need to do is head over to the settings on your device and make sure that you head over to Google and make sure that you find the exact Google account that you're having issues with, and make sure that the calendar option is checked here as well. Once you do these two steps, you should be able to fix this error. But however, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to wipe out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app of Google Calendar, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Google Calendar not syncing error. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.